What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Dubai chocolate. So stay tuned to watch us make Dubai chocolate. I literally just got up like 5 seconds ago, so if I have my deep manly woman voice,
that is why.
Dubai chocolate this, Dubai chocolate that. But have you tried white chocolate Dubai? See, I thought I had the highest IQ and the one and only to think about the idea of white chocolate. But no, apparently this company right here thought about it and gave us a white chocolate version. We're making that. Inside the box, it includes your instructions, the melting chocolate chips, which I did buy extra chocolate chips at Walmart just in case it wasn't enough because I didn't know how big the package was. I'm sure they provided with more than enough, but I didn't want to spread myself thin. Haha. Haha. And they also provided with the, I think it's katifa, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, if I'm butchering it. You get a mold for the chocolate, of course. And finally, you get the pistachio cream. Now, I'm not sure if this one is filled with peanut butter because I know that a lot of companies are making their pistachio cream filled with peanut butter, so I'm hoping that's not the case. Anyways, I did order this off the TikTok shop, so if you want to support me, you can go ahead and order it off the link. If not, I guess you could just order your own freaking kit off the freaking TikTok shop, or Amazon probably has it. You need a handy dandy bowl just like this. Make sure it just won't explode in the microwave. Also, we're going to be putting the chocolate in a bowl and melting it. Please make sure that you melt it every 15 to 30 seconds. This chocolate does burn. I learned that the hard way. I've actually made Dubai chocolate strawberries before, and my dumbass kind of burnt chocolate in the microwave, and I had a cup full of burnt boo-boo that would not come out. So I'm pretty sure the whole cup had to be thrown away. This is the bag that I got from Walmart right here, just in case. I'm sure we'll have more than enough, with the exception of me eating one. So again, you gotta make sure you mix that hoe and not burn it. Y'all ain't getting the feed action today, not for free. All right, melted it, looks like this. Pour it. You gotta make sure y'all get it on the sides too. Also keep in mind it said use about 2/3, so you're basically almost using all of it for this first layer. Pop that hoe in the freezer for like 5 to 10 minutes while you fry your other ingredients. Now we gotta be frying your katifi. We gotta fry that with 2 tablespoons of butter. You guys gotta make sure that it turns golden brown. Alright guys, we got it kind of like golden brown, burnt a little bit on some other areas, but we're going to be dumping the pistachio cream. I'm sure you're supposed to put it in another bowl, but to save myself from washing yet another thing, this is going to be me after I eat it. For sure me when the toilet paper rips. Definitely me after someone passes me toilet paper from the other stall. Do you guys hear the crunchiness already? The texture? Oh my god. This shit's viral. This shit's expensive. Try to get every single drop. Already melted some more chocolate, which this is probably going to be an overflow. I'm not going to lie. I was thinking I was going to make mine all aesthetic and cute, but look at this. What I got, bro. Oh, by the way, I did add some of my Walmart chocolate chips, which that's probably why this shit's going to be fat as fuck. We pulled it out of the freezer. Look at what it's looking like. Let's see if we can peel it without fucking it up. This bitch is thick. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let's break it. I guess that's as best as we're gonna do. This is everything and anything I've ever wanted and dreamed of. Way better. Personal preference, but I've always been a white chocolate kind of person. I'm levitating into a whole nother world. If you have yet to try the white chocolate version, I suggest you try it. This shit's bussin', bro. They also have a dark chocolate too, I think. If you made it this far to the video, thanks for watching. This is the app. I have an Instagram and a TikTok. Also, if you want to support me directly, I do have it listed on my storefront on my TikTok. Should be under my profile. If you want to be a bitch and not support me, just go get it yourself and go buy it yourself, okay? Or what you can also do is just buy the ingredients separately and just do that route too. I mean, this thing was on sale already, so you might as well just get that. I have the mold. Now I can just buy the kit or make just random chocolate bars like Jake Weber because I got inspired by him. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, fabulous night or day, wherever you guys are located. And I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.